Hey guys, Richard here. So my buddy Ron and I just put together the Sixthreezero Relax Body. And I tell you what, this one is, I like it. I didn't think I'd like it at all. I like it a lot. It just rides nice. Yeah, Ron's saying right there, it rides real nice. Rides real nice. It's just a comfortable, kind of stretched out feeling. It's a little longer than maybe some others. It's a road bike. It's a road bike because it's not true fat tires. I'm not sure, maybe 3-inch tires. I got to look, but
it handles. It's steady.
Yeah, it handles pretty good. Had the wheel come up off the ground just a little bit on a turn, taking it a little too sharp. Look there, he's taking it just fine. For a larger, it's a larger trike too because it's a lot longer. You got a rear big basket in the rear, so it's a little bit longer. Yeah, that was a really nice surprise. It's just really nice trike. It looks good too. That blue, that dark blue with that aqua color on the rims kind of give you that beachy feel, which is a lot of Sixthreezero bikes. They go for that beachy kind of vibe in their colors. So, hey, make sure you stick around and subscribe because we're going to check this out. We're going to get familiar with it. We're going to bring you a full review and tell you all about it. Oh, got something vibrating back there. I heard it. Probably something on the basket. It only vibrates occasionally. I heard it vibrate a minute ago too. So we need to check all the nuts and bolts and tighten it up really good.
It's nice.
It rides real good. It's smooth in the pedal and it just handles well.
It does.
Cool.